Alright, this 2004 2005 Honda Element. When you on the road, kind of like making hum noise. I'm not sure my camera can catch it. Making hum loud noise. And if you yank it, your steering wheel will making more noise. This side quiet, but this side is more noise. See that? See? This side quiet, stop. But if you pull into this side, make more noise. But you pull this side, it doesn't. Stay this side, more noise. Stay this side, is less. You see that? Alright, let's do a test to see any play on it. It doesn't have no play at all, but the noise is coming from the wheel. So, you know, I don't know why it still have no play, but when you yank it, and it does have, you know, bearing noise coming from. So let's test the other side too. It doesn't have any play either. But anyway, the bearing is not cost that much, and I'm going to do a bearing replace on it to see if that will be solved the problem. But mostly case, if it's bearing problem, you should have a little play, but I'm not sure why it doesn't have no play. And the way the noise coming from is when you yank it, your steering, and it does create more noise, you know. And then you yank it to the other side, it's stopping making noise. So most likely it's the bearing. Okay. Taking down the ABS sensor. That's a 17. Make sure to get a hanger. What I had to do, I extended another piece of bar like that. It's all the way to. So when you lose it, then you can use impact to move faster. Taking out the rotor. Okay. If you don't have an impact like this, you can use a screwdriver, but sometimes it's very hard, so you have to have one of this impact to take it up the bolt. Alright. I got 22 right in the bottom here. You can hear the bearing noise a little bit. It doesn't have no play yet, but it does have a noise like this, so it will making loud noise when you have load on it, you know. And I'm going to hammer this using that right here. See, came up already. Using press is easier, but
If you don't have a press, you can use hammer to hammer this side.
Okay, so funny off, the new bearing will be go in there, okay? But I have to clean first before I put a new bearing. Okay, I'm gonna clean a little bit, make sure no dust, and got lubricate a little bit. Okay, so dirty it is. Move it low a little bit so I have more room. Like that. Okay. And center. So now it have clear to the where I can put the clamp right here. All right, so now I need to cut the other one to slide in. I have to cut it with a grinder. All right, now I can split. There. So I need to clean this up. So you either put it like that and then drop it in this way, or you can flip it over like this and go in that way, but I prefer this way better. Okay, so let me clean this a little bit. Okay, clean that. I'm gonna set that in. You can drop it in like this, straight. Then I'm gonna press with that right here. So now it's complete, so let's put it back in there. And it's pretty quiet. It's not like the one before. When you turn like this, making noise, you know, humping noise. So that means a good bearing. New one is always good. So all right, let's put it back in the car. Very much is reverse while you take it out. So easy part. Now let's put the rotor back in. That's tight. Let me cut the ABS sensor. Caliper back in there. All right, let's go road test. After replace all the bearing, did all the both front bearing, and you can hear nothing. It's no noise right now. Okay, it doesn't matter which side you yank it, because when I yank it onto the driver's side, it will make a noise, and then I pull on the passenger side, is stop. So that means the passenger side is bad. So now either side, I put brand new both sides, so it doesn't matter what I do, the noise, it doesn't come up, because both front brand new bearing. Okay, thank you for watching, and subscribe. I do have a lot of video, but just don't have time to loading, and hopefully some of this video will helping you do your Honda bearing, because all the Honda very similar to each other, and if you know how to do one Honda, the rest of the Honda should be the same. Little tiny different, but hey, the concept is the same thing. All right, thank you for watching, my friend, my YouTube people. Bye bye now.